I'm going to cover a couple quick examples of a very rare strategy that some of us professional traders used back in the year 2000. It's called a pair trading strategy. And this is something where you don't have to worry about what direction the market is going to capitalize on this opportunity. So as an example, the price difference between Apple and Amazon last Thursday on this green indicator right here was $51, the difference between the two of them. And then within 24 hours later, it went back down to 44 and a half. Now, yesterday, I did point this particular opportunity, not quite as big, but it went from 50, and the very next day, it came back down to 44 and a half again. So that difference in price fluctuation allowed me to short one and go long the other. And again, it doesn't matter what happens in the market, whether the market goes up or down during that day or even the entire week. So another example, a year and a half ago was an example of two stocks below 30 called Pen Interest and Snapchat. So over here at the same indicator, but the blue line, it was stretched pretty big. The difference was -5, and then it went all the way below the blue indicator again to -12. So the difference between that came back in less than a week. Back then, it was usually happening about every week or two. So whether the market went up or down, what you're doing is you're shorting one and going long the other. And then when it gets to the other extreme and the other indicator, you take it off and then put it back to go in the other direction. So that's 7 points in a week and a much bigger percentage, actually. So back a year and a half ago, a friend of mine recommended that I make some TikTok videos based on my expertise because he saw some people making exaggerations that weren't the real deal. And I thought, yeah, why not? If I don't have to do any editing, I'll make some videos. And they happen to be extremely rare, valuable, incredible. As an example, I mentioned shorting Carvana above 350. It went all the way to 7. Upstart above 360, that went to 20. And I mentioned on Truth Radio, something that me and some friends